Good afternoon mga kabilyard. Welcome to Sports Hub Reaction and Commentary Videos. For today's reaction video, pag-usapan natin itong laban ni Efren Reyes versus kay Rafael Martinez. Ito yung Invitational 9-Ball Tournament. Diyan sa ginawa yan sa Hard Times Billiard in Sacramento, California. Si Efren Reyes, the Magician, ang tumitira ngayon dito sa rack number 1. Ito yung race to 7, 9-ball match. At si Reyes ay aiming dito sa ball number 2. Ang kalaban niya dito, walang iba kung hindi si Rafael Martinez, isa sa pinakamagagaling na pool player ng Mexico. At si Rafael Martinez, dati na niyang nakalaban sa 2009 US Open 9-ball championship, itong si Per the Earl Strickland. Nakalaban na rin ni Rafael Martinez itong si Nick Barner, no, dito sa the Sun Regency Open 1994. So nakalaban niya ni Martinez. Maging itong si Johnny Arcer na kalaban niya rin sa sa laban na yan diyan sa The Sun Regency Open Tournament. At noong 1994 din nakalaban niya rin si Efren Bata Reyes. Itong laro na ito ay isang invitational match dito sa California at meron itong almost 18,500 US dollar ang pwedeng maiuwi ng mananalo dito sa tournament na ito. Last 2 ball ni Efren Reyes dito sa rack number 1. Pasok yung 8 at ito waiting para sa 9 ball. Pasok yung 9 ball, 1-0 kay Efren Bata Reyes dito sa rack number 1. Ito nga yung rules nila sa breaking. Winner's break ang pinaglalabanan nila dito. Kung sinong nanalo sa rack, siya yung magbe-break sa next rack. Dalawa yung pumasok na bola dyan sa break ni Efren Bata Reyes. Isang side pocket at isang corner pocket dito sa ibaba. So open ang table kay Reyes dito sa rack number 2. Maganda yung pagkakat ni Reyes doon sa bola na yun at maganda rin ang ball position niya dito sa susunod na object ball niya. So mahusay talaga si Reyes dito sa mga ganyang tira ng mga nipisan at ito pagkuha pa rin ng ball position ang tinatansya ni Reyes. Last 2 balls para dito kay Efren Bata Reyes. Mukhang maganda yung pinapakita niyang cue ball control dito tsaka mga ball positioning. Yun, sumablay si Reyes, no, doon sa 8 ball. Mukhang may steal pa ito ni Rafael Martinez. Easy shot yung 8 ball na yun. Mukhang kumarga doon sa kanto kaya cliff hang at ito open kay Rafael. Napasok yung 8 at maganda ang ball position niya dito sa ball number 9. So na-steal pa, no? Ma-steal pa ni Rafael Martinez itong rack number 2 kay Efren Reyes. Pasok ang 9, all 1 ang score natin. Si Rafael Martinez ang magbe-break sa rack number 3.
17 through 24 gets 150.
Pasok agad yung isang bola dito sa corner pocket at mayroon siyang available shot dito sa 1 ball. Tingnan natin kung maka-run out naman si Martinez dito sa rack number 3. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, baka naman.
5th and 6th gets 550 apiece. And 4th place gets 750. 3rd gets 1,000. 2nd place gets 2,000 and 4 G's for 1st place. So it's actually double the amount from last year.
Mukhang nasilip ni Rafael Martinez itong 9 ball sa ibaba. Yun, muntik nang pumasok at nadaplisan itong 9, no? At open ang table ngayon kay Efren Reyes. Tinatarget talaga ni Martinez itong 9 dito sa bukana ng corner pocket. At ito nag-play safe ulit si Efren Reyes dito sa ball number 1. Tingnan natin kung makapag-adjust dito si Martinez. Sablay yung kick shot na yun ni Martinez, no? Kaya ito ball in hand kay Reyes at tutok na itong 1 ball dito sa 9 ball, kaya eksaktong-eksakto na ito para sa combination from 1 to 9 ball. Pasok yung 9 ball at ito nga, naka-score si Reyes. 2-1 ang score natin dito sa rack number 3. Si Reyes pa rin ang nag-break dito sa rack number 4. Pasok yung 1 ball dyan sa break na yan ni Efren Bata Reyes. At ito, mukhang may harang ng konti itong ball number 2 dito sa side pocket. Sinilip ni Reyes kung pwedeng pumasok yung 2 ball dito sa side pocket. So nag-play safe dito si Reyes at itinago niya ng kaunti itong 2 ball sa likuran ng 8 ball. So back to table si Rafael Martinez para sa kick shot. Tingnan natin kung matamaan ito ni Rafael Martinez. Natamaan ni Martinez yung ball number 2 at nagkaroon ng possible shot si Reyes, pero medyo mahirap yung pocketing. Pero tingnan natin kung sapat yung space para maipasok itong ball number 2.
Both these guys play some 3 cushion. That's guaranteed.
Yeah, especially Rafael. First off, he's Mexican, and carambola is
huge.
Yeah.
CJ gets on the board against Bustamante, 2-1.
Pasok yung 2 at maganda ang ball position niya dito sa 3.
I thought he could just roll the 2 in and leave himself straight in on the 3. We'll see. That's exactly what he did. I didn't think he was going to play a combo, but you never know. Come out center table.
CJ made the 9 on the break on Bustamante.
2-2, CJ and Bustamante.
Aiming si Reyes sa ball number 6.
I don't know. I guess you can manipulate the ref.
Maganda yung pagkaka-stop ball doon ni Reyes.
Bustamante
Ball
is
number
playing
7 sa
Curtis
corner
Johnson,
pocket.
otherwise known as CJ from Riverside, California, currently. No, it's not CJ Wiley.
Last 2 ball ni Efren Reyes dito sa rack number 4. Pinaikot pa ng konti ni Reyes at ito maganda na itong ball position niya sa 9.
Is that 3-1 lead?
Pasok ang 9, panalo si Reyes sa rack na yan. 3-1 ang score natin guys, lamang dalawang rack si Reyes. Siya pa rin magbe-break sa rack number 5.
No,
Pasok,
make the one.
dalawang bola sabay, no? Isa sa corner pocket at isa doon sa side pocket. So, back to table pa rin dyan si Reyes. Mukhang maganda yung ball position niya dito sa
I think he plays safe.
rack
Just
number
keep all
5
the
na
way
to.
down. Tell you, all the players I've seen on this table so far since I've been here, Efren's breaking better than just about anybody.
Nag-try ng mag-bang shot doon si Efren Reyes para makakuha ng magandang ball position pero nagmintis doon si Reyes kaya open ang table kay Rafael Martinez. May possible shot pero mahirap sa pocketing. Tingnan natin kung makakapag-play safe siya dito.
Just missed getting a nice safety there on Bustamante. Left him a shot.
Mukhang may kaunting puwang dito sa one ball na ito at makita natin kung matamaan ni Reyes dito sa kick shot niya.
Yeah, pool player. Well, he had surgery again on his eyes, so I think it's done him some good. So he seems to be playing quite well. CJ's got ball in hand on the 2 ball. 2-2 with Bustamante.
Na foul dito si Efren Reyes at mukhang hindi tumama doon sa one ball yung cue ball, no? Kaya ball in hand dito si Martinez at ito ball in hand siya at tutok dito sa one ball sa side pocket. Ball in hand pa rin kay Rafael Martinez at aiming siya dito sa side pocket. Maganda ang ball position niya naman dito sa ball number 3. So mahusay talaga ito si Martinez, no, lalo na't batikan at full pro ito ng Mexico. Kaya makita natin yung kanyang tira at galaw dito sa laban na ito nilang dalawa ni Efren Bata Reyes.
Score with Silver Ochoa and Amar Kang is 1-1.
Last 2 ball para kay Rafael Martinez dito sa rack number 5. Aiming siya ngayon sa 8 ball. Pasok sa side pocket at maganda itong ball position niya dito sa corner. So mukhang makakatapyas ng isang rack itong si Rafael Martinez. 3-2 ang score natin mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Si Martinez ang magbe-break sa rack number 6. Mukhang dry break si Martinez dito at ang daming cluster ball dito sa gitna, no? Mahirap itong position na ito kay Reyes. 3 ang cluster ball dyan at mukhang mahirapan talaga dito si Reyes sa
Bustamante makes the 7-9 combo
so
to take a
push si Reyes malamang.
1 lead on CJ. No, excuse me, 3-2.
Nag-push dito si Efren Bata Reyes.
Yes, Efren is breaking better than Rafa. I mean, Efren's breaking better than just about anybody on this table.
Konting break ni Ramirez na yun at Martinez at ito nga
What a shot.
nakapag-play safe pa siya dito no sa cluster ball na ito.
Efren's definitely favorite to hit this ball.
Some people,
2 rails underneath, 3 rails underneath.
Tumama yung kick ni Reyes na yun at nagawa pa niyang counter safety. Mahusay talaga sa kick shot itong si The Magician.
You guys are getting a treat here, folks.
there was a couple people in the stands that are commenting, "Wow, these guys are pro." But
Really? Nice hit and
Na-flock ni Martinez yung 9 ball sa side pocket kaya tumabla siya ng score dito 3-all. Tied up siya ng 3 racks. So maswerte sa tira na yun kaya siya pa rin na magbe-break dito sa rack number 7. Walang pumasok sa break na yan ni Martinez, no? A dry break, back to table itong si Reyes.
Well, so far, CJ's giving him a hell of a match over there. Couple rolls here and there, and changes everything. CJ's got ball in hand on the 4 ball. It's not an easy table, but he's got his chance.
Maganda yung ball position dito ni Efren Reyes kaya mukhang makaka-run out siya dito sa rack number 7. Aiming si Reyes sa ball number 3 dito sa corner pocket. Pasok yung 3 at maganda pa rin ang ball position niya dito sa 4.
CJ left himself tough on the 6 ball and undercut it. Let Buste pretty easy out. Meanwhile, Efren's in the middle of running out again. Ernesto's at the table shooting down 2-1 against Gus. Looks like safety coming. Oh, Efren left himself a tough angle on the 8 or not on the 8 here, but pretty sure he's gonna make it.
Last 2 balls si Efren Bata Reyes dito sa rack number 7. Maganda yung pagkaka-shoot ng 8 at last ball tutok na tutok sa corner pocket itong 9.
So is up 4-2 on Chris.
Pasok ang 9, lamang ulit si Reyes, 4-3 ang score natin. Si Reyes ang magbe-break sa rack number 8.
Oh, Bustamante missed
May
the
pumasok
easy
doon
6-1.
sa side pocket. Mukhang open din itong object ball niya.
Again. Shot on the 2. Poncho, these are all races to 7.
Race to 7. Loser side is race to 5.
There's about 20 players left, I believe. I think we might be down to 16 now.
Something like that. The finals is one single race to 9. Yes, Chris Fanger is on the winner side playing against
Maganda yung pagkaka-combination doon ni Efren Reyes at meron siyang
Quite tell if this
follow-up
is frozen
shot
or not. Efren's
para
Efren's
dito
looking
sa
like it's
ball
frozen.
number
I don't
3.
like it. Well, they're going back and forth over here with CJ and Boosty. Looks like CJ's got another shot. The ball right in front of the hole and missed it. Well,
I think it's some nerves getting to
there
him.
is a little bit of pressure there. Boosty makes the 9 go up 4-2.
Sumablay pa si Efren Reyes doon, no? Mukhang manipis yung tira na yun ni Reyes. At ito open yung ball number 3 dito kay Rafael Martinez.
Yes, Chris is down 3-2.
4-3 ang score natin, si Reyes pa rin ng lamang. Race to 7 itong match na ito. Ayun, nagmintis din dito si Rafael. Ano bang nangyari dito sa kanila?
He looked at
At
it.
mukhang hindi maipasok-pasok itong napaka easy shot, no? Dito sa ball number 3. So, momentum ulit ni Reyes, bumalik sa kanya. At yun, naipasok niya na yung ball number 3. Back to the table si Reyes.
You know, folks, these are 4-inch pockets. You know, these balls do jaw up. Amar and Silver Ochoa tied up at 1 apiece. And that is a loser side match. That's a race to 5. Pool player, I wouldn't call it running him over. I think there is only a 1-game gap.
Pasok yung 9 ball doon at 5-3 ang score natin. Lamang pa rin si Reyes ng dalawang rack. Si Reyes pa rin ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 9.
Oh, you meant starting from now. Yeah, well, you know, the momentum has swung his way, that's for sure. Yeah, Bustamante just had a 1-9 combination that he made. Looks like... well, here we go again. Make a ball, shot on the 1. Looks like he kind of gave himself the rack there, but still made a ball. In the booth, you have, my name is Spanky, otherwise my real name is Chris Fitzgerald. You have Andy Chan and Eddie Cohen.
Fast Eddie Cohen.
Oh, sorry. I don't know how he's fast. He's got really short legs. Yeah, Bustamante comes up dry. The 8-9's tied up. Efren's looking at this like, I guess he's doesn't really like where he's at. Trying to get all the way back for the 3 with the bridge.
Right.
He didn't want to come all the way back. He just elected to cut it in.
For those of you guys who are interested in live streaming, Upstate Owl has an email list of schedules of all the streaming events happening on any given day. If you're interested,
Aiming sa
email
3
him.
ball itong si Reyes
He will not send
sa
you
5
spam.
ball.
It won't be prescription Viagra.
Sublime medyo na overcut ni Reyes itong ball number 3 sa side pa sa corner pocket. Back to table naman itong si Martinez.
Rough with a chance to get back in the match. And CJ is feeling the heat. He's missing some shots he's not supposed to miss. Looks like he likes to shoot the 5-9. It must be close to dead.
Nakakita ng combination sa 5 to 9 itong si Martinez. Tingnan natin kung maipasok niya itong bola. Pasok ang bola, panibagong score kay Martinez. 5-4 ang score natin. Si Martinez ang magbe-break sa rack number 10.
56. Okay.
Oh, so him and Efren are the same age.
Yeah, I believe they are.
The balls didn't quite fly the way that.
Yeah, it looks
They
like he
usually
took a
do.
little off it and has a shot.
Huh? Rafael and Efren. Really? Oh, someone just said he was 56. Okay.
We've been corrected.
We're correcting you, whoever posted that. 47, not 56. Unless you were referring to Efren. I'll give you a chance to cover up.
5-4 ang score natin dito sa rack number 10.
47.
At makita natin si Martinez ang tumitira dito sa rack number 10.
Meanwhile, Bustamante is on the hill and shooting.
Bustamante is now on the hill against Curtis.
Last two ball ni Martinez dito sa rack number 10 at maganda ang pinapakita niyang ball positioning dito. Last ball. Pasok ang 9 at tumabla si Martinez dito sa score. Tied up sila ng 5 racks. Si Martinez ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 11.
They conceded the last round.
May pumasok agad no na bola yon, dalawang bola ang pumasok dito sa break ni Martinez na ito. At makita natin meron siyang
Oh, okay.
possible na shot dito sa ball number 1.
Silver's up 4-0 on Gus and shooting.
Are you a racist? Spanky.
Play safe ang ginawa dito ni Martinez pero mukhang malakas ang tira, no? Kaya ito na open ang table kay Efren Bata Reyes. So si Reyes may chance siya ngayon na maka-run out. Mukhang giveaway shot itong ginawa ni
That happens to be Jewish.
Martinez.
So no, I'm not. I'm sorry. It is Silver Ocho is up 4-0 on Gus Briseño on the loser side.
Maganda yung pagkakapasok ng two ball na yun at nakakuha ng magandang ball position si Reyes dito sa side pocket.
Still breaks harder than I do though.
Ball number 7, aiming si Reyes dito sa corner at mukhang makaka-run out siya dito, no? Nakatabla dito si Martinez kanina at mukhang malamangan ni Reyes ng isang puntos dito si Martinez. Race to 7 ito, 9 ball at maganda ang pinapakita ni Reyes dito sa ball positioning niya sa 8.
Still has a 4-2 lead.
Last ball si Reyes sa rack number 11. Mukhang run out siya dito at maka-score ng isa pang
Silver's
puntos.
actually playing Amar. Sorry about that, guys.
Unang nakakuha ng hill score itong si Reyes. Last rack ni Reyes, siya ang magbe-break sa rack number 12. May pumasok na isang bola dyan sa corner pocket, no? At mukhang may harang dito sa ball number 1 itong tira ni Reyes.
I can either play safe or try to spin it.
May possible sight.
Better option.
Ngunit mahirap yung pocketing pero tingnan natin kung paano magawa ng paraan ni Reyes ito. Mukhang konting massay shot dito sa ball number 1. Ganun pa man, naipasok pa rin ni Efren Reyes, no? Ang lupit ng kanyang pagkakamase doon sa ball number 1. Ito mukhang sa side pocket or sa corner itong ball number 2. At mukhang side pocket ang pinili ni Efren Bata Reyes. Medyo napalakas yung tira doon ni Reyes at kailangan niyang dumiskarte dito sa cue ball.
Lowe's will do it for you. No problem. Home Depot.
Score natin ngayon ay 6-5 in favor of Reyes. So naka-heel na itong si Reyes. Last rock ito. Mukhang may possible shot dito si Rafael Martinez. So play safe yung pinili ni Rafael dito at tingnan natin kung successful. Naitago nga ni Rafael itong object ball. Pero tingnan natin discarded dito ni Efren Bata Reyes.
Well, Well, if he's got enough of it, he might have a no. It's not cuttable.
You think you can see the left side?
He might have a swing at the 9. That's about it.
Play safe at naitago ni Reyes sa likuran ng
How do you hit that ball, folks?
9 ball na yun. No? Magaling talaga ito si Reyes sa mga kick shot and play safety.
Playing the 9.
Mukhang may scratch. Ayun, na-scratch nga dito si Martinez.
Well, with the
Foul
60
siya dyan, kaya ball-in-hand naman dito kay Efren Bata Reyes. Last rock ito ni Reyes at ball-in-hand pa. Alam na this. Sabi nga, yun, nagsitayoan na yung ibang nanonood at alam na nila kung ano yung kakasapitan nitong laban na ito. Ball-in-hand si Reyes.
Looks like he's pitching.
At may intention si Reyes dito na tapusin niya dito sa combination, no? Pagkatapos nitong ball number 3, combination sa 4 to 9 ball. Ito nga, tinutok na ni Reyes. So, combination ball to ball 4 to 9 ball dito sa corner packet. Pakisubscribe naman kayo mga kaibigan. Baka naman. Pasok yung 9 kaya panalo dito si Efren Bata Reyes. Congratulations.
Okay.